After hiking in Canada for 7 years, these are 4 mistakes I've made when hiking in wildfire season. Number 1 is not turning on my inReach. To save my battery for emergencies, I've only turned it on when needing to press SOS, which I have done, and assumed no one would need to contact me. I will now be turning on my inReach morning and night to check for messages. Number 2 is not giving my inReach number to my emergency contact, thinking I'd message them if I needed help, not knowing they may need to contact me to warn about fires and evacuations. Number 3 is forgetting to update the emergency contact on my backcountry permit, so that Parks Authorities has the correct details of the person that has my trip plan. Number 4 is neglecting to check for active wildfires in the area before going out, thinking no smoke or news means no fires, right? Not always. What are some mistakes that you have made?